Hello friends, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. This is 8th class in integration chapter. In last class, we learned model number 4 problems. In model number 4, what type of problems we learned? This class is continuation of that class. You observe in last class, you see these questions. These are the questions we learned in last class. In case if you not watched this video last class, in class number 7, I did solutions of all these problems. Integral of sin square x dx, integral of cos square x dx, integral of tan square x dx, integral of cot square x dx, integral of secant square x dx, integral of cosecant square x dx. Square series. Okay, these are square series problems. And you observe here, this is cube series. Cube series problems. Cube series problem. And sin power 4x dx, cos power 4x dx, tan power 4x dx, cot power 4x dx. All these problems we done in last class. In this class, what problems we are going to do? You look here, sin square x is there here. In this class, we are going to learn how to calculate integral of sin square 2x plus 3. As you know how to calculate integral of sin square x dx, in the same procedure we will calculate this. Not only this, integral of sin square 4x dx. So what we learned in last class, you learned how to calculate integral of cos square x dx. Na? What procedure you followed? In the same procedure, by using the same procedure, we can calculate integral of cos square 4x plus 5 dx. Right? So these type of problems we are going to do in this class. You observe here integral of sin cube x dx. You know in what procedure we will get the answer for integral of sin cube x dx. By using the same procedure, you can calculate integral of sin cube of 4x dx. So in this class, this is continuation of last class. To understand this class, last class knowledge is compulsory. In integration chapter, we are in model 4. It is important. If you are good in model 1, model 2, model 3, then only you can understand model 4. If you are good in first 4 models, then only you can understand model number 5. In integration chapter, you need this continuity, one after another. Okay, in this class, what are the things we are going to learn? Look here. In this class, we are going to do these 10 problems. 1 minute. Yes, you observe here. Integral of sin square 2x plus 5 dx. In last class what we learned? We learned how to calculate integral of sin square x dx. This is integral of sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Same procedure. Okay. Now you look this problem. Integral of sin cube 2x plus 1 dx. In last class we learned how to calculate integral of sin cube x dx. By using same procedure we will calculate integral of sin cube 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, you observe in last class we learned how to calculate integral of cos power 4x dx. With the same procedure we will calculate integral of cos power 4 2x dx. Right? So in this class we are going to do these 10 problems. Okay, you observe this question. Integral of sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Integral of sin square 2x plus 5 dx. In last class, you learned how to calculate integral of sin square x dx. If you know that procedure, then you can do this problem with the same procedure. To do this, you must know this formula. What is that formula? Trigonometry formula. 1 minus cos 2x. What is 1 minus cos 2x? 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. You know this formula. Here, sin square x I want. So, from this, what is sin square x? You just take 2 to this side. Then you will get. Okay, so what is sin square x? Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, right. Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. This is what we used in last class also. Now, what you know that sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. As you know sin square x formula, from this you can easily write sin square 2x plus 5. Sin square 2x plus 5. How you will get sin square 2x plus 5? Very simple. In place of x here 2x plus 5 is there. You observe the question. What I need? I need sin square 2x plus 5. For this I know sin square x formula. As you know sin square x formula, from this In this formula, wherever x is there if I write 2x plus 5, then I will get sine square 2x plus 5. It is very simple, right? So, what you will get? 1 minus cos 2 into here x is there. Na? In place of x, what we will write? We will write 2x plus 5 divided by 2. If I simplify this, what I will get? 1 minus cos of 2 into 2x, that is 4x plus 10 divided by 2, that equal to sine square 2x plus 5. If you know this from this formula how to write sine square 2x plus 5, then you can do this problem very easily. Okay, that equal to integral of, here sine square 2x plus 5 is there. Now what is sine square 2x plus 5? That is 1 minus cos of 4x plus 10 divided by 2 dx. Okay, in this here denominator 2 is there, na? That means we can take 1 by 2 common. Take 1 by 2 common. So I'll write that 1 by 2 is constant, na? I can write it outside the integral. 1 by 2 is constant. I can write it outside the integral. Okay, now what are the things remaining? Things remaining are 1 minus cos of 4x plus 10 dx. How to integrate this one? I'll integrate each and every term. Okay, that equal to 1 by 2 into, yes, integrate integral of each and every term. Integral of 1 dx minus integral of cos of 4x plus 10 dx. I hope you understand this. Integration of this is nothing but integral of each and every term, that what I written. Now I'll integrate 1 by 2 into integral of 1 dx. You know this formula. Integral of k dx is what? Integral of k dx. K is constant. In first class you learned this formula. Integral of k dx is kx plus c. Integral of 1 into dx is 1 into x. That is x. X plus c. That plus c I'll write at the end. Now look here. How to integrate this? Integral of cos of 4x plus 10 dx. Integral of cos of 4x plus 10 dx. In model number 2, you learn these things. For example, you see, you know integral of cos x dx formula. What is integral of cos x dx? That is sin x plus c. This is the formula we learn in first class. Suppose in this formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, then how to write its answer? That we learned in model number 2. Okay, integral of cos of, here what is there? 4x plus 10. In place of x, ax plus b is present. In place of x, ax plus b is present. Then how to integrate this? We learned this type of problems in model number 2. Its answer starts with 1 divided by x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 4. 1 by 4 into, as you know, integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Integral of cos 4x plus 10 dx is sin 4x plus 10. This is sin 4x plus 10. This is what we learn in model number 2. Okay, so I'll write here minus, what you observe this one. You know how to integrate this from model number 2. Here we learn this formula, na? In place of x, if ax plus b is present, then we can write this answer directly. How to write? 1 divided by x coefficient. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is 4. 1 by 4 into, yes, sin 4x plus 10. Sin 4x plus 10 plus c. I hope you understand. Now what I'll do, this complete expression is there, na? I'll multiply with 1 by 2. Multiply 1 by 2 into x, that is x by 2 minus 1 by 8 into sin 4x plus 10 plus c. I hope you understand this solution. Yes or no? Now we'll move to next problem. You observe this problem. Integral of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Actually, it is somehow easy problem. 1 minus cos x. To do this, you must know this formula. 1 minus cos x formula is what? 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. This is what we learn in trigonometry formulas, multiple submultiple angle formulas. Okay. What about 1 plus cos x formula? We know that 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x formula is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2. Now what I will do, these two formulas I will substitute in the question to integrate this. That equal to integral of 1 minus cos x. What is the formula? 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x formula is 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x. What is 1 plus cos x formula? 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Now look here, this 2 will get cancelled. We know that sin by cos is tan. We know that sin by cos is tan. So sin square x by 2 divided by cos square x by 2 is what? That is nothing but integral of tan square x by 2 dx. You look here, we got tan square x by 2. In last class, what type of problems we did? Integral of sin square x dx, integral of cos square x dx, integral of tan square x dx, integral of cot square x dx. That series we did in last class now. So how we did there? We used the trigonometry formula now. So if you know last class, from the last class, whenever integral of tan x dx given, we will write tan square x as secant square x minus 1. We know that 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x. From this, what is tan square x? Tan square x is secant square x minus 1. So here, we know this formula, tan square x is secant square x minus 1. So what is tan square x by 2? By using this formula, tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1. What is tan square x by 2? Tan square x by 2 is integral of secant square x by 2 minus 1 dx. I hope you understand this. Right? So as we know that tan square x is secant square x minus 1, from this tan square x by 2 can be written as secant square x by 2 minus 1. Now, how to integrate this? We integrate each and every term. How? That equal to integral of secant square x by 2 into dx minus integral of 1 dx. Now again look here, model number 2. Model number 2, we learn how to integrate. See, suppose we know this formula, integral of secant square x dx is what? Integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Now, integral of secant square x by 2 is there here. X by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into x. Okay. In place of x, this is the formula we learned in first class. In this formula, in place of x, if an expression like ax plus b is present, how to write its answer directly? That we learn in model number 2. In case if you not watched that video, please go back and check that class number 3. In class number 3, we learned these things. However, I'll explain. You learned this formula na? In this formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, while integrating, its answer starts with 1 divided by x coefficient. 1 divided by x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2 into, as you know, secant square x dx is tan x plus c. We will write secant square x by 2 as tan x by 2. We will write here, it is tan x by 2. We did more clearly this type of problems in model number 2. So look here, so I will write this one, this equal to integral of secant square x by 2 dx. What you will get? 1 divided by 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2 is what? 1 divided by 1 by 2 is 2. 2 into what you will get? This is tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 minus integral of 1 dx. Integral of k dx. Integral of k dx is kx plus c. Na? So integral of 1 dx is 1 into x plus c. So integral of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx is 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. I hope you understand this problem. Yes or no? So 2 problems completed in this class. Total 10 problems we are doing in this class. Okay. You see, little bit of similarity is there for this problem and this problem. How to integrate this? Very simple. Small tricky thing is there. See, these problems you need to practice once. In the beginning, you may not get an idea how to do it quickly. Okay. What I'll do, in the numerator, I'll add 1, I'll subtract 1. You don't get this idea unless if you practice once. Okay. So in the numerator, I added 1, subtracted 1. You look here, minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled again. You will get cos x in the numerator. Okay. Now you observe this part. This is like A minus B divided by C. A minus B divided by C can be written as A by C minus B by C. Correct? So I'll split this one like that. Then what you will get? That equal to integral of cos x plus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now look here, Cos x plus 1, 1 plus cos x. Both are same. They will get cancelled and you will get 1. So these two will get cancelled. That equal to integral of. Now what I'll do, I'll integrate each and every term also. Here what is remaining? 1 is remaining. So integral of 1 dx minus integral of 1 divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Okay. Integral of 1 dx. You know the formula. Integral of k dx is kx plus c na. So integral of 1 dx is 1 into x. That is x minus. Look here. Integral of 1 plus cos x is there. 1 plus cos x. What is the formula for 1 plus cos x? The formula for 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. When plus is there, cos will come. If minus is present here, then it is 2 sin square x by 2. Okay. Integral of 1 divided by, what is the formula for 1 plus cos x? 1 plus cos x formula is 2 cos square x by 2. Okay. That equal to 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. I hope you are understanding. Right. That equal to x minus. Here, look here in the denominator, 2 is there. 1 by 2 is constant. 1 by 2 is constant. You take 1 by 2 outside. What you will get? 1 by 2 into integral of. You know 1 by cos theta is secant theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. 1 by cos square x by 2 is what? It is secant square x by 2. This is secant square x by 2 into dx. Okay. Now how to integrate this further? That equal to x minus 1 by 2 into, look here, secant square x by 2 dx. Just now we discussed in last problem also. You know integral of secant square x dx formula. What is integral of secant square x dx formula? That is tan x plus c. In this formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, here x by 2 is there. Na? Look here, x by 2 is there. Na? X by 2, I can write it as 1 by 2 into x. In place of x, you learned this formula. In this formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, then how to integrate? That we learn in model number 2. In case if you not watched that video, you please check that video. Many problems are there based on this model. How to do this answer? We will write its answer directly. How we will write its answer? This answer starts with 1 divided by x coefficient. You learn this formula na? In this formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, then its answer, this answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. That is 1 divided by 1 by 2. As you know, integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Integral of secant square x by 2 dx, we will write it as tan x by 2. This type of problems we learn in model number 2. You please check that model. If you are good in that model, then you can understand this very easily. Okay, that 1 by 2 is there na? Into 1 divided by 1 by 2. That is 2 into tan x by 2 plus c. Here 2 will get cancelled. What you will get? X minus tan x by 2 plus c. I hope you understand this problem. Right? Understand or not? Say yes or no. You see this problem. Integral of cos 2x divided by 1 plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Do not worry by seeing this problem. This is very easy problem if you know trigonometry formulas. In multiple and submultiple angle chapter, for cos 2x, you learn total 4 formulas. Right? What is the formula in terms of sign? Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is the formula we learned in trigonometry. So if I use this formula, this problem is like a cakewalk. Okay. So that equal to, look here, that equal to integral of, here cos 2x is there. Na? In place of cos 2x, I'll write 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, right? 1 minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Okay. Now look here. This is minus 2 sin square x. This is plus 2 sin square x. Both will get cancelled. Yes, cancel them. Now, what is remaining in the numerator? 1. What is remaining in the denominator? Cos square x. You know this formula. 1 by cos x. What is 1 by cos x? 1 by cos x is secant x. 1 by cos square x. What is 1 by cos square x? 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Secant square x dx. In last class, alright, integral of secant square x dx. In first class, you learned this. This is direct formula. Integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x plus c. Right? Integral of secant square x dx is what? Integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. In first class, we learned this. This is direct formula. Integral of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Good. So we completed 4 problems. I hope you understand this. Good. Now we'll move to next problem. See, this is somehow lengthy problem, right? And one important thing is what answer I'll get now and what answer is there in NCERT textbook. Both are different. And one more point, what are the problems I am doing now? All these problems you can find in exercise number 7.3 NCERT textbook class 12 integration chapter. Exercise number 7.3. What answer I'll get for this problem, that answer and NCERT textbook answer is different. But do not worry, what solution we are getting, what solution they given, both are correct. But we need to simplify a little bit to get the textbook answer. Now, what method I am doing, that is the easiest method. In morning class, you learn integral of sine cube x dx. How to calculate integral of sine cube x dx, that you learn in last class. Okay, how to calculate integral of sine cube x dx? To calculate integral of sine cube x dx, we will use sine 3x formula, correct? Yes, we will use sine 3x formula. So what I will write here, I will write sine 3x formula first. In case if you do not know this sine 3x formula, need not to worry. You just leave this problem and go for the next problem. You must know sine 3x formula, right? Sine 3x formula is what? Sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. This is the formula for sine 3x. Now, what I want sine cube 2x plus 1. First, I'll write sine cube x is what from this? What is sine cube x? Sine cube x equal to 3 sine x, 4 sine cube x. This term is there, na? I taken to the left hand side. 4 sine cube x equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Okay, now what I want sine cube x from this. What is sine cube x? Sine cube x equal to 3 by 4 into sine x minus 1 by 4 into sine 3x. Okay, now this is sine cube x we got from sine 3x. Actually, what you want? You want sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. You want sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. Look here, as you know sine cube x, from this I can write sine cube 2x. I can write sine cube 4x. I can write sine cube 2x plus 1. So here what I need sine cube 2x plus 1. So what I will do, sine cube in place of x, I will write 2x plus 1. In this formula, in this full formula, where x is there I will write 2x plus 1. Then I will get sine cube 2x plus 1. Okay, equal to 3 by 4 into, in place of x, what I will write? In place of x, I will write 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into sine of 3 times of, in place of x, I will write 2x plus 1. Little bit of simplification. 3 by 4 into, yes, sine of 2x plus 1, sine of 2x plus 1, whatever space is not sufficient here. Okay, minus 1 by 4 into, multiply these two, what you will get? Sine of 3 into 2x is 6x plus 3. I hope you are understanding. What I am trying to say, sine cube 2x plus 1. Here sine cube 2x plus 1 is there, na? Sine cube 2x plus 1 can be written as 3 by 4 into sine 2x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into sine 6x plus 3. I hope you understand this. So here in place of sine cube x, I will write this expression. Okay, take this. I hope you understand. Into dx. Here sine cube x you know na, sine cube x formula you know na. In this formula, in place of x, if I write 2x plus 1, I will get like this. Now how to integrate this? We integrate each and every term. Okay, that equal to, integrate each and every term. While integrating this, here 3 by 4 is there, na? 3 by 4 is constant. You take it outside the integral, what you will get? 3 by 4 into integral of sine of 2x plus 1 dx minus integrate this one. In this 1 by 4 constant, na? You write it outside the integral. 1 by 4 into integral of sine of 6x plus 3 dx. I hope you are understanding. Now I need to integrate this. Okay, that equal to 3 by 4 into integral of sine of 2x plus 1 dx. To do this, now I want to calculate integral of sine of 2x plus 1 dx. Now the point is, integral of sine of 2x plus 1 dx, I want to calculate this. Okay, in model number 2, you learn how to calculate this type of things. What you learn? You learn this formula. integral of sin x dx. What is integral of sin x dx? Integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. In this formula, in place of x, if ax plus b is present, then how to write its answer directly? That what we learned in model number 2. Now we are in model number 4. Okay, in this formula, in place of x here x plus b is there, na? Then how we integrate this? We write this answer directly, and this answer starts with 1 divided by x coefficient. 1 divided by x coefficient. What is x coefficient here? X coefficient is 2. So its answer starts with 1 by 2 into, as you know, integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Integral of sin of 2x plus, we write it as minus cos of 2x plus 1. These things you learned in model number 2. In case if you not watched that video, please watch that video. Okay, good. 1 minute. Now I need to integrate this. Look here, I need to integrate this. Here 1 by 4 I'll write first, minus 1 by 4 into, look here, same type of problem. Integral of sin of 6x plus 3 dx. As you know, integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. When you got like this, in this formula, in place of x, ax plus b is present. So this integral you can write directly. How to write this integral directly? Here its answer starts with 1 divided by x coefficient. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is 6. 1 by 6 into integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Na? So integral of sin of 6x plus 3 minus cos of 6x plus 3 plus c. Now what I need to do? I need to simplify this further. Let's see what you will get if I simplify. Multiply these two things, what you will get? Minus 3 by 8. Okay, minus 3 by 8 into cos of 2x plus 1 minus of minus, look here, minus of minus plus 1 divided by 24 into cos of 6x plus 3 plus c. I hope you understand this problem, right? Now we'll move to next problem. Okay, you observe this. This is also going to be little lengthy. Integral of sin cube x into cos cube x dx. Okay, here what I'll do, I know sin 2x formula. Look here, in what way I'll simplify this. First I'll write 1 by 8 here into 8 into sin cube x into cos cube x dx. I hope you understand this. For the given question, I multiplied and divided with 8. Okay, that equal to 1 by 8 into integral of, look here, this is a 8 can be written as 2 cube. Yes, 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube into sin cube x into cos cube x. So this can be written as 2 into sin x into cos x whole cube dx. I hope you understand this. Okay, that equal to 1 by 8 into integral of 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, right? 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Yes, sin 2x whole cube dx. Okay, you know this formula. Sin 2x formula is what? Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, now that equal to 1 by 8 into integral of sin cube 2x dx. Sin 2x whole cube can be written as sin cube 2x. Now here is the point. In last class, we learned integral of sin cube x dx. How to calculate integral of sin cube x dx you learned in last class. We are going to use the same procedure to calculate integral of sin cube 2x dx. Try to understand this model number 4. We are following a particular pattern. Model wise we are doing. You know this formula. What formula? Sin 3x formula. What is sin 3x formula? Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Correct? Sin 3x formula 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From this, what is sin cube x? What is sin cube x? Sin cube x is 3 by 4 into sin x minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x. It can be understood. In last problem also we discussed the same thing. As you have sin cube x formula, from this you can easily write sin cube 2x. You can easily write sin cube 2x. How? In this formula, where x is there, there you write 2x. then you will get sine cube 2x. Okay, I'll write here sine cube 2x. In place of x, I'm writing 2x. Let's see what happens. That equal to 3 by 4 into sine. In place of x, we'll write 2x. Write 2x minus 1 by 4 into sine 3 into 2x. 3 into 2x is what? 3 into 2x is 6x. I hope you understand, right? So here we got a sine cube 2x. If you know integral of sine cube x dx, you can calculate this. Last problem also like this only, sine cube 2x plus 1. This problem what we got here, after simplification we got sine cube 2x. I hope you are understanding. Last problem, this problem follows the same procedure. Okay, right. Now how to simplify this further? This equal to 1 by 8 into integral sine cube 2x is there. In place of sine cube 2x, I'll write this. Write it. Integral of 3 by 4 into sine 2x. Okay. Minus 1 by 4 into sine 6x. Okay. Dx. Now I need to integrate this. How to integrate this? We integrate each and every term. Okay. That equal to 1 by 8 into, I need to, 1 by 8 is for this full integral. So to avoid the confusion, I'll keep a bracket here so that no confusion will come. Okay, I need to integrate this. In this 3 by 4 is constant. Okay, 3 by 4 into integral of sine 2x dx. Okay, no problem. Minus, I need to integrate this one. Here 1 by 4 is constant. You take it outside the integral and you write like this, 1 by 4 into integral of sine 6x dx. Okay. Further integration, that equal to 1 by 8 into, okay, 3 by 4 into integral of sine 2x dx. How to integrate this? That is what we are discussing from the beginning of this class. You know integral of sin x dx. What is integral of sin x dx? Integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. In this formula, in place of x, here look here, in place of x, ax plus b is there, 2x plus 0. In place of x, if ax plus b is present, then its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is 2. 1 by x coefficient into, as you know, integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Here integral of sin 2x is minus cos 2x. I hope you understand this. Minus 1 by 4 into integral of sin 6x dx. Integral of sin 6x dx. You look here, as you know, integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. In place of x, if ax plus b is present, you know how to write its answer directly. How to write its answer? 1 divided by x coefficient, that is 1 divided by 6 into, as you know, integral of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Integral of sin 6x dx is minus cos 6x. Minus cos 6x plus c. See, integration, you try to understand how important the model number 2 is. We are in model number 4. If you do not know earlier models, it definitely creates a problem in the coming models. Okay, that equal to, yes, I'll simplify this. What you will get? Multiply 1 by 8 into this expression. Here minus is there, na? Plus of minus is minus 3 divided by 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Okay, 64 into cos 2x minus 1 by 24 into, here 1 by 8 is there, na? Right, 1 by 24 into 8. You multiply 24 into 8. You look here, minus of minus is what? Minus of minus is plus cos 6x plus c. I hope you understand this. So integral of sin cube x into cos cube x dx is this one. Right? Good. I hope you understand this. Now another lengthy problem. The basic idea of this class, to understand this class, last class knowledge is compulsory. In last class what we learned? You learned that integral of cos power 4x dx. If you know this procedure, in what way we will calculate this integral? If you know this procedure, calculating this integral is very easy. That is clear point I am trying to say from the beginning of this class. Okay, how I did this problem? In the same way I proceed, right? Integral of cos power 4 is there, na? That can be written like this, cos square 2x whole square dx. Okay, right. Now what I need? I need cos square 2x here. I need cos square 2x. Okay, I know this formula. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is cos square x. From last class onwards, I think we used more than 10 times this one. Okay, so cos square x is what? 1 plus cos 2x by 2. What I want here? I want cos square 2x. When you know cos square x, you can easily write cos square 2x. How? In this formula, wherever x is there, there you write 2x, then you will get cos square 2x. Okay, that equal to, we will get cos square 2x. Here x is there, na? In place of x, you write 2x. Then what you will get? This is 1 plus cos of 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x is what? That is 4x divided by 2. So, cos square 2x is what? Cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. So, in this, here cos square 2x is there. Na? In place of cos square 2x, I will write 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2. Okay, that equal to integral of 1 plus cos 4x divided by 2 whole square dx. Okay, when I square this expression, this denominator is there, na? This will become 4. This 2 will become 4. So 4 is in the denominator now. So I can, as it is a constant, I can write it outside the integral like this. 1 by 4 into integral of 1 plus cos 4x whole square dx. This is of the form a plus b whole square. I'll expand this. Expand, what you will get? 1 by 4 into integral of, you expand this a plus b whole square formula. A square, 1 square is 1. B square is cos square 4x plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into cos 4x, that is 2 cos 4x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now, I am not going to integrate each and every term because here cos square 4x is there. I cannot integrate it directly. So, I want to simplify. What is there here? Cos square 4x. As you know cos square x formula, in place of x, if I write 4x, then I'll get cos square 4x. So, in this formula, look here, in this formula, in place of x, you write 4x to get cos square 4x. So, 1 plus cos 2 times of 4x, that is 2 into 4x is what? That is 8x divided by 2 equal to cos square 4x. See, in this formula, where x is there, I written 4x, so that I got cos square 4x. This cos square 4x value, I will substitute here. Cos square 4x value. What is cos square 4x? 1 plus cos 8x by 2. I will substitute here. Okay, substitute. That equal to 1 by 4 into integral of 1 plus cos square 4x. Cos square 4x, I will write it as 1 plus cos 8x divided by 2. 1 plus cos 8x divided by 2 plus 2 cos 4x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now, little bit of simplification I will do by taking LCM 2. Okay, that equal to 1 by 4 into integral of, LCM is what? LCM is 2. What you will get? 2 plus 1 plus cos 8x plus, look here, 2 into 2, that is a 4 cos 4x dx. I hope you are understanding these things. Okay. Now, look here. 1 by 2 is there. Na? 1 minute. I written wrong here. 1 plus cos 8x. Look here. 2 plus 1 plus cos 8x. Now, look here. Here this 2 is there. Na? Here 2 is there. Na? Constant. Take it outside. Then what you will get? This will become 1 by 8 into integral of, what are remaining? 2 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus cos 8x plus 4 cos 4x dx. Now, I'll integrate each and every term. I hope you are understanding. If you know integral of cos power 4x dx procedure, then you can do this very easily. Okay, that equal to 1 by 8 into, yes, integrate each and every term. Integral of 3 dx plus integral of cos 8x dx plus 4 times of integral of cos 4x dx. I hope you understand. that equal to 1 by 8 into integral of 3 dx. You know integral of k dx is kx plus c. So integral of 3 dx is what? Integral of 3 dx is 3x plus integral of cos 8x dx. As you know integral of cos x dx formula, directly you can write integral of cos 8x. How you will write this integral of cos 8x dx? Look here. You know this formula. Integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Correct? Yes, you know this formula. Here in place of x, here 8x is there. In place of x, if ax plus b is present, then we will write its answer directly. What is integral of cos 8x? Its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. What is x coefficient? Look here, what is x coefficient? X coefficient is 8. 1 by 8 into, as you know, integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Integral of cos 8x, we will write here sin 8x. I hope you are understanding. Integral of cos 8x dx. This we can write directly 1 by 8 into sin 8x. Okay. Plus 4 into integral of cos 4x dx. Cos 4x dx. Here it is 1 by 4 into. See, I can write integral of cos 4x dx answer directly. That we learn in model number 2. I explained here also. Its answer starts with 1 by x coefficient. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is 4. That is what I written. Into integral of cos x dx is sin x plus c. So integral of cos 4x, I'll write it as sin 4x. Okay. At the end, I'll write integral constant. Now look here, this 4 will get cancelled. Okay. Now further, if I multiply this whole expression with 1 by 8, then what I am going to get? I am going to get like this. 3x by 8 plus 1 by 64 into sin 8x plus 1 by 8 into sin 4x plus c. This is the answer we will get for integral of cos power 4 2x dx. I hope you are understanding. Now how many problems are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Another 3 problems are there. Okay. Now the coming 3 problems are very easy. Okay. This problem, what way to simplify? In what way we will do? These problems are there in exercise number 7.3. I'll do this by substitution method. What is substitution method? In substitution method, we will take something as x. Na? Here e power x into x is there. Na? I'll take it as t. Okay. Let e power x into x equal to t. You know, in substitution method, we'll take some expression as t and then we'll differentiate it. Now, I'll differentiate this with respect to x. d by dx of e power x into x equal to d by dx of t. Okay, now I need to differentiate this. How? By using uv formula. Okay, that equal to e power x. uv formula, u into derivative of v. Derivative of x is what? Derivative of x is 1 plus v into, that means x into derivative of e power x is e power x equal to dt by dx. You are doing integration chapter means you are good in differentiation chapter. I just applied product rule to get this. Now here I'll take e power x common. If I take e power x common, what I'll get? E power x into 1 plus x. You look here, e power x into 1 plus x into dx is needed. I'll take dx to the left hand side. E power x into 1 plus x dx is dt. Now what I'll do, this information and this information I'll substitute in the question to get the things are easier. That equal to integral of, look here, e power x into 1 plus x into dx is what? It is dt. So I'll write that first, dt. So 1 divided by, look here, cos square. I'll write cos square. E power x into x is then, what is e power x into x? E power x into x is t. Cos square t. I hope you understand. If I simplify this further, integral of 1 by cos square t is what? 1 by cos square t. You know trigonometry formulas. Secant square t dt. 1 by cos t is secant t. Na? So 1 by cos square t is secant square t. Okay. You have direct formula for this. Integral of secant square dt is what? Integral of secant square dt is tan t. This is tan t plus c. What is t? Tan of, what is t here? T is e power x into x. E power x into x plus c. I hope you understand this. Yes or no? Good. So last two problems. These two problems are easy problems. Look this one. I want to calculate integral of sine inverse of cos x dx. I want to calculate this. I know this formula. What formula? Sine inverse of sine theta is theta. I know this formula. And here to apply this formula, I need this in terms of sine, but here cos is there. In trigonometry, you know how to write sine function in terms of cos. Cos pi by 2 minus theta is sine theta. Sine pi by 2 minus theta. In trigonometry, you know that sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. Sine pi by 2 minus x is what? Sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x. As pi by 2 is there, sine changes to cos. In trigonometry, you know this. Sine pi by 2 minus x is cos x. So here cos x is there, na? In place of cos x, what I can write? I can write sine pi by 2 minus x. Okay. That equal to integral of sine inverse of cos is there, na? Cos can be written as sine pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay. Now I am going to use this formula. Sine inverse of sine theta is theta, na? So sine inverse of sine pi by 2 minus x dx is what? Sine inverse of sine theta is theta, na? So if I apply this formula to this, what I'll get? I'll get this answer, pi by 2 minus x. That equal to integral of pi by 2 minus x dx. How to integrate this? I'll integrate each and every term. Okay. That equal to integral of pi by 2 into dx minus integral of x into dx. How to integrate this? Here pi by 2 is constant. You know integral of k dx. What is integral of k dx? Integral of k dx is kx plus c, right? So integral of pi by 2 into dx is what? That is pi by 2 into x. Okay, minus integral of x dx. You know this formula. Integral of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So integral of x dx is x power 1 plus 1 x square divided by 2 plus c. I hope you understand. This problem is completed, right? I hope you are understanding these problems. In case if you felt that these problems I am doing little faster, you please comment below so that I'll slow down and I'll explain. As we are in model number 4 and we are doing exercise number 7.3 problems, you must understand what I am doing now. If you are not understanding these things, means you need to go back and you need to check all model 1, model 2, model 3 problems. Okay. Now, last question. If these, whatever the 10 problems we are doing today, all these 10 problems are there in exercise number 7.3 NCERT textbook class 12 integration. Look here. This is like a square. Look here, a square minus b square, a minus b divided by c. Like this, a minus b divided by c. This can be written as a by c minus b by c. I can write like this. So, if I simplify this, what I'll get? I'll get like this. Integral of sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x minus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. I'll get like this. Now little bit of simplification. You look here, sin square x will get cancelled. Here cos square x will get cancelled. Cancel them. Okay. What you will get? That equal to integral of, here what is remaining? 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is what? 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Okay. Secant square x minus, look here, 1 by sin square x is there. What is 1 by sin square x? 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. This is cosecant square x dx. How to integrate this? I'll integrate each and every term like this. That equal to integral of secant square x dx minus integral of cosecant square x dx. You know this formula. Here integral of sin square x dx. You know this formula. In first class of integration you learned what is integral of secant square x dx. Integral of secant square x dx, direct formula is there, tan x minus integral of cosecant square x dx. This formula also you learned. What is integral of cosecant square x dx? Integral of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x. So this is minus cot x plus c. Now look here, that equal to tan x minus of minus plus cot x plus c. So integral of this expression is tan x plus cot x plus c. So with this, 10 problems of this class completed.